Hello and welcome to the KnowledgeFlow CyberHub. This video will help guide you through the CyberHub portal and show you how to navigate and use its unique features to meet your privacy, security, and compliance management needs. Let's take a few minutes to explore your new CyberHub account. This is the landing page you will see after you have made your KnowledgeFlow CyberHub account and have attempted to log in. From here, we will go ahead and move through some very basic portal setup to get you started. For setting up your profile, if you click the Edit Profile and then My Profile button in the left-hand side blue navigation bar, it will bring you to this page where you will be able to fill out your basic information such as your display name, email address, phone number, and an optional profile photo. Enabling two-factor authentication in this step is recommended for that extra layer of security on your account. To access your data room and resource storage, you can simply click on the NPO Library button, which will give you access to a section where all of your files and resources are located for easy access. These resources can then be shared with others and organized by topic as well as categorized to your liking. For example, if a nonprofit organization is looking for support in writing its privacy statements for clients, they can click on Privacy Policy and find resources that will help guide them through the process, such as our Privacy Policy Considerations for Nonprofits. This document is created by our privacy industry experts and provides insight into applying the fair information principles when creating a privacy policy. For nonprofits who are looking for support with their information security program, they will find resources in the Securing Information section. Here, you will find our Cyber Safety by Design document, which highlights the 7 principles of cyber safety design created by the KnowledgeFlow co-founder Claudiu Popa. Resources such as these have been created by the KnowledgeFlow CyberHub team specifically for nonprofit organizations of all sizes with unique privacy and security program needs. To schedule a meeting, you can click on the Event Schedule button and then the My Calendar button, which will bring you to a page where you are able to conveniently set up your meetings and appointments. By clicking the Add Appointment button, you will be able to select your preferred start date and time and the duration of your meeting and appointment. Once selecting your preferred start date and time, you can save the information, which will then process and you will receive a confirmation message, which will then appear on your calendar. You are able to view your calendar in both a monthly and weekly view. And this feature will allow you to book your appointments with your staff and an advisor from our team. The NPO project section is where your privacy and security project management toolkit is located. Under Projects, you will see a complete list of the current assignments that are underway in your organization. You will be able to view all related project tasks and deadlines. These can also be filtered for the priority level and by the due date. Tasks can also be viewed and tracked across multiple projects by clicking the My Tasks button in the blue navigation bar. Additional tasks are easily added by clicking the Add Task button which then you can input the title, the amount of time, and description, as well as the status. Additional features in this section include project-specific file storage and a client chat function under Client Talk, which enables project-specific questions and comments between the client and the CyberHub project team members. Support and communication is very important to the KnowledgeFlow CyberHub team, as we want to ensure that our users are provided support when they need it. The support button is just a click away and gives you access to an inbox communication platform where you can directly contact us and get the assistance that you need. Here you'll be able to pick your advisor's name and write a message, as well as be able to attach a file, which then you can send and will be found in your sent box. Below the Help and Support button in that same blue navigation bar to your left, we're able to assist you with more resources and tools for your nonprofit organization, such as assessments and certifications. Congratulations on completing this initial tour. Be sure to review your welcome checklist for some fun tasks. Why not start by completing your personal profile right now? Then, book your initial consultation meeting with one of our CyberHub team members. Be sure to have your colleagues and peers join the CyberHub team to enhance your team collaboration. The KnowledgeFlow CyberHub team is your one-stop portal for nonprofit privacy, compliance, and security program management. Bye for now.